Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody-Ann Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for this Wednesday. Digital transformation among micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, remains low, and the CEO of Digita Global Marketing, Kamal Brown, is urging business owners to shift their focus to adapt and avoid losing revenue to more optimized entities. According to Brown, many MSMEs hold misconceptions about digital transformation, such as thinking it's expensive or lacking knowledge about the tools available. He stressed the need for understanding how to effectively utilize digital tools to optimize business operations.
There's also just a gap in knowledge about the tools themselves. Persons might not know this tool. They hear about it in passing, but they think it's not for them or not for their business. They might think, I'm in manufacturing. How can AI help me? I move bricks and, whatever it is. I'm a construction person. I move bricks. How can this help me? Well, it can help you optimize your workflows. It can help you optimize your scheduling, your delivery schedules, a ton of different utilities, depending on the type of business.
Understanding how to effectively utilize digital tools to optimize business operations is one aspect of the business. He added that another crucial aspect is creating a website with a strong focus on customer satisfaction. However, he notes that many websites often lack user-friendly development.
Understanding how to build a proper website, thinking about what a person's going to do when they land here. What is the goal of the website? What is the goal of this page? What is the goal of this section? Where do we put the information so that the information we prioritize is there first? How do we design the site, clearly make it responsive for mobile? Because I believe 75% of persons are accessing web and all things through their phones now. We have 1.3 phones per person in Jamaica.
He was speaking at the Digital Jamaica Summit at the Pegasus Hotel on Tuesday. And J. Ray and Nephew says it will discontinue distributing Moet Hennessy as of October 1. This follows its parent company, Grupo Campari, acquiring the Courvoisier brand cognac earlier this year for $1.3 billion and deciding to focus on its own brand instead of one for its competitor.
I'm going to let go of Hennessy because by the 1st of October, because we bought the group. Bought Courvoisier, which is the fourth. You have 4 houses of cognac in France, and Courvoisier is one of them. It's a beautiful brand, and we like Hennessy. It's a great business. It's a great brand as well. Great company. We have a lot of respect for them. But
are you gonna still carry it along with Courvoisier?
No.
You're gonna just drop it completely.
Yeah. We told them sorry,
and they find another distributor.
Yeah. So we said sorry. You gotta go. Which, they were not very happy about, of course, because we're so strong here.
It is not clear at this time who will be distributing Moet Hennessy cognac in Jamaica after next month. The brand was built in Jamaica by J. Ray and Nephew. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody-Ann Barrett.